Okay, good day everyone. So now we are talking in this chapter we are talking about uh, an ideal gas followed by the ideal gas equation and the law of this law of ideal gas and the specific heat. So, but before let us talk about first let us talk about what is a matter. So in order to we can understand clearly kung unsa atong gi-discuss sa ideal gas. So sa matter anything in this makita nato or what we see in this world is gitawag na og matter. So just like your table or your chair nga inyong gilingkuran or unsa pa ballpen, your paper or calculator ba o tanang makita ninyo diri sa atong kalibutan is what we call a matter. Okay, so matter is defined as anything that has mass take up space or it has volume or matter is it has occupied space and volume, and there are three states of matter. So what are these? Uh, the solid phase, the liquid phase, and the gas phase. But before that, ato sang i-discuss kung unsay gamiton nato para ma-figure out nato kung ang kaning usa ka substance or the matter is either the solid phase ba siya, liquid phase ba siya, or the gas phase, or we can figure this out kung unsa ka organize ang usa ka matter, usa ka ka-organize ang iyahang molecule sa usa ka matter or ka-disorganize ang molecules sa usa ka matter. So unsa atong gamiton na just like so ako introduce ninyo ang entropy. So entropy is defined as the randomness quantity of the randomness of disorder, or diha nato makita or mahibal-an kung unsa ka disorganize ang usa ka substance nato or usa ka matter nato. Just like this solid phase. So this solid phase, this is approximately higher gid ni iyahang approximately zero gid ni iyahang entropy. It because sa kani pa lang atong figure nga atong ipakita is organized kay siya ang iyahang molecules. In the solid phase, we have moderate lang ato ang pagka-organize sa molecules. But in the gas phase is very disorganized. So maong di na nato makita in our naked eye kung unsa gid ang gas, di ba? Invisible siya kay tungod is very ka-disorganized ang molecule sa usa ka gas. So now, mao ni ato ang focusan ron, which is ato ni i-relate into ideal gas. So let us start kung unsa ang ideal gas. So ideal gas is defined as one in which all collision between atoms or molecules are perfectly elastic and there are no intermolecular force, it will strictly follows by Boyle's law. So, mo na ang mga law sa ideal gas. So, we have Boyle's law and Charles' law. Napato kang gilusak laws of gases. Ideal gases gases whose compressibility factor is equal or very near to 1. An ideal gas, there is no such thing as an ideal gas. So uh, there is no such thing that kanang in the processes have kuan ma-attain niya ang perfect gas or there is no such thing nga process nga saman nga nga na ay ang naay walay friction ang usa ka processes. So, but many gases behave approximately as if they were ideal at ordinary working temperature and pressure. So, sa ideal gas, we have assumed that gases are made up of molecules which are in constant random motion in straight line. So uh, it means that the molecules have kanang gi-assume ni diri nga we have no uh, kinetic molecular activity sa usa ka substance. So in the in ideal gas we have assumed that all collision both between the molecules themselves and between the molecules in the walls of the container are perfectly elastic. That means that there is no loss of kinetic energy during the collision. So sa usa ka container daw nganong maka-create og pressure, it because they have collision of the molecules sa gases inside the wall, or we have collision between themselves sa molecules. And we have assumed that the temperature of the gas is proportional to the average kinetic energy of the molecules. So, ato sa we have to compare or we have a comparison between the ideal gas and the real gas. So, in ideal gas, obtain no volume unlike real gas which obtain small volume. Okay? So, mo na unsay pasabot ani what do you mean compressibility factor? So, compressibility factor is a correction factor uh, between uh, between the volume of the actual over the volume of the ideal. So in ideal gas, the compressibility factor is equal to or very near to 1.0. So kaning compressibility factor is naa ni siya chart no or na behavior sa ato ang volume sa usa ka substance. So pwede ra ninyo ma-search. So kung unsay kanang chart ani unsay figure ani nga chart, so pwede ra ninyo ma-search. So let us move into ideal equation of state. Any equation that relates the pressure, temperature, and specific volume of a substance is called an equation of state. So in ideal gas, equation state property tables provide very accurate information about the property, but they are vulnerable to typo graphical errors. A more practical and desirable approach sa kuan kanang kuan we have to locate we have to locate sa kuan kanang mga properties in terms of properties sa usa ka substance in terms of properties tables or mga chart, but tungod sa ato ang kuan kanang very vulnerable siya in terms of typographical errors. So di man accurate kung ato'y di ba na ma-accurate kung maglaos-laos ta og locate sa usa ka property sa usa ka substance. So naay ginay mga error or mga human error, di ba? So mao nang naka-create siya og very simple equation that ma-approximate ang value sa kuan substance and the value of the kining kuan sa properties tables. So let us introduce this equation. So we have P equals to R times T over B, or equals to PV equals to RT in terms of unit basis or in terms of per kilogram. Or can say that this equation we have PV equals to MRT. So in terms of mass basis, so ang P is denoted na to as pressure, and the V is the volume of the our gas, and the M is the mass of the gas, and R is a gas constant of the gas, and the T is temperature of the gas. So tanang kuan ni value dapat naka-absolute siya. So we have absolute pressure and volume, and then the absolute temperature. Okay. So let us move now into gas constant. So gas constant R is different for each gas and is determined from R is equals to R bar over M, or ang dapat ang unit ani is sa R na to is kilojoule per kilogram of Kelvin. So sa gas constant, so para ma-perform nato ang equation nga PV equals to MRT, so dapat makaibaw ta kung unsa ang gas constant sa usa ka substance gases na to, just like air na to. So the gas constant of the air have a value of 0.387 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So pwede na ninyo i-search kung unsa gid ang gas constant sa approximate kanang dili approximate kanang exact value of the gas constant of the air. But what about kuan? What about other gases? So di gini nato masag-utan ng mga gas constant, no? So mao ning naka-create taog kaninga equation, which is R is equals to R bar over M. M, where R bar na to is equals to universal gas constant. And the M is equals to the molar mass or the molecular weight of the with different each gas. So we have general value of this universal gas constant. So any gases imong gamiton, so pwede nimo mo na imo mo ni dapat gamiton ang kani nga value in terms of metric system. So R bar is equals to 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin. In terms of English system, we have 1545.37 feet LB over LB mole Rankine. So, for example, dapat ka makaibaw sa kuan kanang uh, gas constant of hydrogen. So, wa ka kaibaw kung unsay kang gas constant ana. So, by doing this kuan, by use this equation, so may bal-an nato kung unsay gas constant sa hydrogen. So, sa hydrogen, we have molecular weight of 2, di ba? Because hydrogens have diatomic. So, the value of H, di ba? H to man ang hydrogen. So, the value of molecular weight of the H is equals to 1. But because diatomic man siya, so H2, di ba na siya? H2 na siya, so equals to 2 ang iyang molecular weight. So we have, kung in terms of metric system, so R is equals to 8.314 over 2. So ano pag subay na, so mag-example na ta na later, mag-example na ta later. So we have kuan sa kanang mga commonly used na panggamiton sa commonly used substance that we use to perform katong ideal gas equation states. So we have carbon dioxide. So sa carbon dioxide, so denoted as CO2, di ba? Is equals to 44 kilogram per kilomole. So, nganong 44? So, sa carbon, we have the molecular weight of 12, no? And the oxygen plus oxygen, O2, we have O, 16 times 2, 32 plus 12, mo nang na 44 siya. And then the nitrogen, we have pila niyang kuan into 19 14 ang N times 2 mo ng 28. So in terms of air, we have 29 kilogram per kilomole. In the helium, so monatomic siya, is equals to 4 kilogram per kilomole. In argon, mausad 40 kilogram per kilomole. In hydrogen, we have 2 kilogram per kilomole. So let us example kung unsa ang pag-perform ani gas constant. Okay. So sample problem 1. Sample problem 1. Find the value of the gas constant of air with the given formula of R equals to R bar over M kilojoule of kilogram per kilogram of Kelvin, or fit LB force per LB mass of Rankine. So first, we have to determine kung pila ang molecular weight sa air nato. We have M is equals to sa air is we have 29 kilogram per kilomole. So in terms of metric system, R bar is equals to 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole of Kelvin over the value of the molecular weight of the air. We have 29 kilogram per kilomole. So cancel out. So we can get the value of the gas constant of the air by using this formula, R bar over M. So 8.314 over 29, so equals to 0.287 dito. So 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So in terms of English system, we have R is equals to 1545.37 fit LV force over kilomole of Rankine. So we can say that in terms of English system, that pwede sad nato ma LV per LV force sakto ba? LV mass over the kilomole. So it means in 1 kilomole we have 29 kilogram of air. Mosad sa kuan, in 1 kilomole of the particles of the air, we have 29 of pound mass. So in this manner, so 29 LB mass over the kilomole. So we can cancel out. So we can get the value of the gas constant of air in terms of English system. So we have 1.5, so 53.29. So 53.29 fit LB force over LB mass Rankine. So ano siya pagsubay, no? Para makuha nato, ma-determine nato ang usa ka value sa gas constant of any gases. So let us move now into topic of mga law sa ideal gas. So Boyle's law. Boyle's law, if the temperature of a given quantity is held constant, the volume of the gas varies inversely with the absolute pressure during a change of state. So, kasi pasabutan eh. So, we can say that the PV is equals to constant, or we can rewrite into processes, so that equation na to mo ni siya, P1B1 is equals to P2B2. So just imagine this tire. So this tire, as the pressure on the gas increases, or air ba ang ibutan dire increases, so the volume of the gas decreases po, because the gas particles are forced closer together. And then conversely, as the pressure on gas decreases, the gas volume increases because the gas particles can now move farther apart. So we have this behavioral of air or the gases. So in terms of PV diagram, we have this curve or this behavior at this processes. So we have initial point of the gas. So if this initial point, kung mas dako pa yung pressure, so mas so kung dako yung pressure, so ang iyang volume dire is gamay pa, di ba, at initial point. But in the final point, so we have volume ni increase ng volume, so ang imong pressure pod ni decrease. Okay? So mo po na sa tire no nga ato ang gamiton. So mao ni pag kuha nato kanang determine nato unsay behavior sa usa ka substance nato through sa properties of the substance, just like this pressure, volume, and mga temperature. So let us move to Charles' law sad. So Charles and Gay-Lussac demonstrated that the volume of a gas directly proportional to its temperature in terms of Kelvin at constant pressure. So if the pressure on a particular quantity of a gas is held constant, then with any change of state, the volume will vary directly as the absolute temperature. In terms of dimensional form, so we have V is equals to Ct, or V over T is equals to constant. So atong i-rewrite na to in terms of processes. So may ani siya, B1 over T1 is equals to B2 over T2. So this Charles' law implies that the volume of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So considering this piston, imagine this. Okay, so this piston, when we apply heat, so the molecules, yan, in order to maintain the pressure, so the molecules dire mo increase ang iyang temperature, and in order to maintain the pressure, so we have to increase sad ang iyahang volume. So kung ato ni kuan figure out ang iyang behavior sa usa ka substance, so we have VT diagram. So ingani ang iyang curve or behavior sa usa ka substance nato or gases. So kana. So ano siya? So we can say that the more nga i-increase nato ang temperature, so the more sad mo increase sad ang iyang volume. So we can conclude that makita nato this kani nga figure. So let us move now into Gay-Lussac's law. So in this law said if the volume of particular quantity of a gas is held constant, so sa volume na pod, then with any change of state, the pressure will be directly as the absolute temperature. So mao sa niya in terms of dimensional form, P equals to Cp or P over T is equals to constant. So we have P1 over T1. So in terms of processes na sa usa ka gases, so we have this equation P1 over T1 is equals to P2 over T2.